What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2022 Nissan Pathfinder. So taking a look at the key fob, this top button here that's almost a full circle, that's going to be the remote start button. So in order to remote start our Pathfinder, what we're going to do is hit the lock button, and then I'm going to hold that remote start button down for at least 2 seconds. And the lights will come on and you'll see the vehicle start. Now the Pathfinder will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off. At any point during that 10 minutes, if you want to extend the run time for an additional 10 minutes, you'll repeat the starting procedure. So you'll hit the lock button, hold that button down for a couple seconds, and then the runtime will be extended 10 minutes from whenever you do that. Now if we want to cancel the remote start and turn the vehicle off, what we'll do is just hold down the remote start button for a few seconds. You can see we turned it off. Now let's go ahead and remote start it again. So lock button, hold that button down for a few seconds. Now in order to drive the vehicle as normal after it's remote started, what you need to do is get in, and then just as you normally would, press the brake, hit the stop start button, and now you're ready to drive as normal. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.